Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. You're watching the latest calendar of economic events on Insta TV. The second half of the current trading week will be marked with the following macroeconomic data releases. On Thursday, China will publish its February report on consumer price inflation. Analysts forecast the same annual growth rates of 0.8% logged in January. In the first month of 2016, the Chinese inflation accelerated to 1.8% from 1.6% in December. It is the highest level in the 5 recent months. Economists had predicted the rate of 1.9%. In comparison with the previous month, consumer prices rose by 0.5%. However, a fall in China's producer prices is going on. The producer price index is considered an inflation's leading indicator. On Thursday as well, the European Central Bank will sum up results of the March meeting and announce its interest rate decision. Markets expect the current ultra-low level of 0.05% to be maintained. A month earlier, the ECB Governing Council decided to keep the interest rate on the main refinancing operations at the level of 0.05%. The decision had been widely expected by analysts and most market participants. At the press conference after the meeting, ECB President Mario Draghi pointed out that ambiguity about growth in emerging economies, volatility in financial and commodity markets, as well as geopolitical instability, increased risks to the region's economy. Besides, inflation is likely to remain at very low levels in the near future. On Friday, Canada will release its statistics on employment and jobless rate for February. Unemployment is expected to stand flat at 7.2%. In January, Canada's jobless rate unexpectedly edged up to 7.2% from 7.1% amid weaker activity in the manufacturing sector. The unemployment in Alberta, a crude-producing Canadian province, hit the highest level since 1996. Meanwhile, the new vacancy number dropped to 5,700 in the given period. However, this figure isn't very important as it is viewed within statistical discrepancy. At the end of the week, the following reports will also see the light of day. On Thursday, Reserve Bank of New Zealand Governor Graham Wheeler will deliver a speech. Germany will report on its trade balance. Canada will reveal its new housing price index statistics, and the United States will publish initial jobless claims data. On Friday, Bank of Canada Governor Stephen Poloz will make a speech. Besides, the United Kingdom will unveil its report on visible trade balance. On Saturday, China will disclose its industrial production data. And this concludes the calendar of the latest events prepared for you by Insta TV team. Thank you and see you next week. Bye.